Are you making bookkeeping mistakes that could cost you thousands? Stay tuned as I reveal the top bookkeeping errors many businesses make and, more importantly, how to fix them easily. Why bookkeeping matters. Accurate bookkeeping isn't just a legal requirement, it's the foundation of your business's financial health. Imagine driving a car blindfolded, that's running a business without clean financial records. One of the biggest mistakes I see is misclassifying expenses. For example, mixing up office supplies with marketing costs. Why does it matter? Misclassifications can mess up your tax deductions and financial reports. Solution? Use detailed categories and review them monthly. Do you check your bank statements against your bookkeeping records? If not, you're likely missing errors. Bank reconciliations catch discrepancies before they become a problem. Procrastination can lead to lost receipts, forgotten transactions, and stress at tax time. Best practice? Set aside time weekly for bookkeeping or hire a professional. Irene Consulting Firm is here to help. Without backup documentation, audits become nightmares. Save digital copies of every receipt and invoice. Tools like Quickbooks make this easy. How do you avoid these mistakes? Invest in good bookkeeping software like QuickBooks or Xero. Better yet, delegate to experts. At Irene Consulting Firm, we specialize in helping businesses like yours stay audit-proof and organized.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.
If you're ready to eliminate bookkeeping stress and focus on growing your business, book a free consultation with us today. Click the link in the description, and let's get started. Thanks for watching.